Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on LinkedIn. To change language on LinkedIn is super easy. Launch the LinkedIn app open on your mobile device or go to LinkedIn's website on your browser and log into your account if you are not already. After you are in the home page of LinkedIn, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you open up the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Account Preferences. Inside Account Preferences, scroll down to General Preferences and tap on Language. It'll show you how you can change your language. You will need to open up the Settings app on your device and tap on Apps. It says that you will need to go open Settings app on your device. Let's go ahead and do that. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Apps. In the Apps list, search for LinkedIn and tap on it. Now click on Language under Preferred Language and select one of the language options you'd like to change to from the list. Right after you choose the preferred language, you will then be able to change your language on the LinkedIn app. You may also go ahead and change the content language, which will be found right under the General Preferences. To change the language of the content, choose Content Language and then click on Change right next to your default language and select a different language from the list so that you can choose the language of your preferences for the content. And that way you will be able to find a different language for the content of your preference. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if it was. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.